We are a third generation farm. My grandfather had a few chickens and my dad really grew the farm. And now I work with my brother Cal, who's the owner. And we actually both have two boys that work with us. It's a real sense of pride there, having my son Jake and my son Caleb work with me. Cal's two sons, Riley and Elliot, coming aboard, and they're all doing a great job, and they're learning fast, and they're fun to work with. It means a lot just seeing them take part of what I'm doing. We feed the world. It's a small part, but it's a great responsibility, and I love seeing them be a part of something that is so important.